AI is changing all the job streams that are available, and this is the reason why I have been doing programs like AI residency program and the AI for executive program, which is a detailed cohort based system. Due to the lack of time and getting all the people together and making their education affordable, we have launched a new certified course. A lot of people don't understand the difference between a program which is somewhat more flexible, wherein you get to talk to person, you get to uh, be in a cohort, join live classes, and there is something called as a course, a certified course, where you go through set of recordings, and you go through different modules, you complete it, you go through the video one time, two times, give the graded assignment, score above the the prescribed number, then you mark it as complete and you go to the next module, and you are able to complete it and then get a final certification that you have completed the Chief Artificial Engineer Officer course. So this is something different, and this is something that we have created new. And why this is created, and I just wanted to share you the reason why we created this particular program. We have been doing a cohort, we really understand. Right now, whenever I'm going to talk to any businesses or any leader to adopt AI, it can be trainings, it can be understanding the correct meaning of AI, that it is much more than your Excel or NA10. AI is a huge ecosystem which has lot of different types, and you all need to understand that, especially the leaders, the decision makers. Hence this specific program, everyone who is working on a computer, who is able to listen, is going to be touched by the use of AI. So he should be able to at least go through this certification to understand that AI is much bigger than that. So this is the reason why we have put an amazing program, or I will say amazing course together, which is divided mainly into 8 modules. It is divided into 8 modules, and how we have done this modules, if you can see, understanding. So this is for any person who wants to take it to the next level, who is confused with the word AI, artificial intelligence, what is the foundation of AI, and especially for the leadership. This is not a coding or a technical certification, but this is a certification that everyone should do it. Even for technical people, it will give you a bird eye view and a 360-degree view of everything that is in the ecosystem that is there. Then when you start AI, when you start building AI, it is more about your specific roadmap. You always start with a your journey with a specific location in mind, and if you don't have that roadmap, you get lost. So that is the reason why we are talking about strategic AI roadmap. We're talking about the 3 pillars, and one more thing that we have done in this particular course is the videos that have been generated. Like if you can see, we have the videos that are getting generated here is using AI tools and our knowledge that is there, that we have built. So we have structured this program in this course. I am interchangeably using this a lot, but this is a very specific short course. If I will tell you, if you just go through the videos, if you have already done these couple of times, the videos are approximately, every module is less than 10 minutes, but the podcast is a little bit detailed conversation between 2 people to talk about that topic. And also we are giving you a simple ebook that has simple information about the topic as well. So people who want to listen to videos, who want to listen to podcasts, or who want to read, we have all the 3 options for them to do that. After you do all the 3 options, it is not mandatory, you can even do one. If you are comfortable in the video one, then you will be able to go to the next one that is there, the quiz, finish the quiz, and then you will be able to go to the next module. So I recommend you to finish the quiz of the first module, get the mark as complete option by scoring above 60%. So you need to get at least out of 5, at least you need to get 4 questions correct. This is something very important that you all need to do, and then you will go through the different modules. Then you talk about lot of people don't understand that you need to build a team. If you want a high performance AI, you need a high performance team, starting from a data scientist to an AI engineer. Then I talk about responsible AI ethics and governance. This is a very important and ignored part about AI. Responsible AI, it is in the hands of the managers and the leaders to fix this. Then we have data strategy and decision intelligence, impact and ROI. So from the data that you are getting in, you will be able to do this particular analysis and whatever the use cases that are there, driving organization wide adoption of AI. And so this is about how you, for every vertical of your company, how you can use AI. AI is not just a method to reduce cost, but to actually drive innovations across the organization and adopt AI across. We are mostly till now talking about traditional AI and the use of generative AI to help you make things faster, but how we can leverage in the model 7 generative AI for business innovation, how you can make hundreds of business plans in a day, do a lot of iterations, check whether things are working, make a quick MVP and all those details. Capstone project is something very interesting. So what we are trying to do is from theory to impact, trying to get a specific data source and trying to help you go through the end-to-end step of a AI project and build this particular thing that is there. So this is a simple project that interactive dashboard for AI energy optimization, where a person just uploads the data. And this is everything is talked about this in the details in the 500 entry points of the data in a consumption in a data center, the energy consumption. And with this data we try to understand, do the analysis, what this app does. This is the sample data, this is the prediction, this is the time series forecast, this is the these are some of the residual metrics, and this is the top feature, that is the compared to the energy kilowatt, this is the most important feature that is there. So this is a simple interactive dashboard that we created with simple data, and these are some things that we will be discussing in details in this whole program in detail. So understanding how to do an end-to-end project, understanding the data, trying to final output of most of the projects that are there is any company is to get your data and make information out of it, like this dashboard, how you can see the data, make decisions from the data. You don't need to have a whole data technical team to do that. As a AI manager, you will also be able to do that. So the confidence of you to understand end to end about AI adoption, the usage of AI and deploying AI project is the main aim of this whole certification program. So this is one capstone submission that we are giving you, just to get an idea about how you will be able to do this specific thing in details. So that is it from my side. Carry on with this program. The purpose of building this program is certification course is for every one of you to get a very good 360-degree view and with very short modules. Purpose of you to understand how to give importance to your AI in your organization. And when you talk about AI, the core of AI is the knowledge management, which also has been discussed here. Thank you and best of luck, and keep learning.